3 months ago. She had no idea that AI would change her life forever. 008. She was still holding the envelope when I walked in. She did not see me. Inside the envelope were the results of her 30-day experiment, letting AI manage her investments. The stakes were high, but the potential rewards were even higher. 015. This wasn't just any experiment. It was a test of trust, technology, and finance. Her name is Sarah, and she's part of a growing community of investors turning to AI for better returns. But would it work? And more importantly, would it be worth it? 030. Sarah is a 35-year-old tech enthusiast living in San Francisco. She's always been interested in investing, but never felt confident enough to dive deep. That's where AI comes in. With so many personal finance apps claiming to be the best, Sarah decided to put them to the test. 045. She started by researching the best personal finance app and best personal finance track. After narrowing down her options, she chose 2 leading apps, WealthWise and InvestGenius. Both promised AI-driven insights and personalized investment strategies. But which one would deliver? 1 o'clock. The setup was simple. Sarah allocated $10,000 across both apps, setting clear goals for growth and diversification. She monitored the performance daily, noting any changes or recommendations. The first week was uneventful. Both apps seemed to be working as advertised. 1:30. But as the days turned into weeks, things started to get interesting. Sarah noticed that WealthWise was more aggressive in its investment choices, focusing on high-growth stocks like NVIDIA and PLTR. InvestGenius, on the other hand, took a more conservative approach, spreading the funds across a mix of ETFs and bonds. 2 o'clock. The challenge was clear. Could an AI algorithm really outperform traditional investment methods? Sarah was skeptical, but intrigued. As the experiment progressed, she began to see patterns emerging. WealthWise bold moves paid off initially, with significant gains in the tech sector. But InvestGenius's diversified portfolio provided steady returns, protecting against market volatility. 2:30. Here's where it gets interesting. As the month wore on, market conditions shifted. Tech stocks faced a downturn, causing WealthWise portfolio to take a hit. Sarah watched nervously as her initial gains evaporate. Meanwhile, InvestGenius's balanced approach continued to perform steadily. 3 o'clock. The complications arose when Sarah realized the true power of AI in investing. While WealthWise struggled to adapt to changing market conditions, InvestGenius's algorithm quickly recalibrated, shifting funds to safer assets. This agility proved crucial in minimizing losses and maintaining overall growth. 3:30. But the real surprise is coming. As the experiment reached its climax, Sarah compared the final results. InvestGenius emerged as the clear winner, delivering a 7% return on her investment. WealthWise, despite its initial success, ended up with a 2% loss. The difference was stark, and Sarah couldn't help but feel vindicated in her choice. 4 o'clock. The turning point came when Sarah analyzed the data. InvestGenius's AI algorithm had demonstrated superior risk management and adaptability. It had successfully navigated the market downturn, protecting her investment while still achieving solid returns. This was the kind of performance she had hoped for when she embarked on this journey. 4:30. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose the right personal finance app for your needs. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. 5 o'clock. The resolution was clear. InvestGenius was the best personal finance app for 2026. Its AI-driven insights and personalized strategies had proven their worth. Sarah felt confident in her decision and excited about the future of AI in investing. 5:30. What we learned from this experiment is invaluable. AI has the potential to revolutionize personal finance, but it's crucial to choose the right tool. InvestGenius showed us that a balanced approach combined with advanced AI algorithms can lead to significant success. 6 o'clock. If you like this, watch tomorrow's video, The Sister's Revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new personal finance content every single day. The next story is even crazier. 6:30. Remember, this content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always consult with a professional before making any investment decisions.